think about it, two things for sure. You're gonna go to the second layer. My sneaker. You're not doing enough. Good morning, girl. It's August 20th, Tuesday one. Good morning, y'all. Why am I acting like I don't know how to talk to a camera? Basically, what this morning is going to entail is me getting ready, me getting dressed, me doing my morning routine, my morning rituals. It's early as in the morning. I'm gonna do my little get ready with me morning routine. I slept pretty alright. I slept cool. I'm not gonna lie to you, I did and go to sleep around 3:30 because I was journaling and I was eating and I was trying to content create, show still my school on. I have a lot to do. And before we even log out, let's do our morning prayer. Thank you, God, for blessing me to wake up. Thank you for allowing me to be able to be blessed to have a camera just to record my videos. Thank you for allowing my videos to get out there. Thank you for allowing my videos to be a blessing to myself and to others. Thank you for allowing my soul and my energy to be a blessing to myself and to others. Thank you for allowing me to keep going and keep doing what you want me to do. To be a blessing to myself and to others. Thank you for allowing me to keep going and keep doing what you want me to do. And then you have your listening and listening right here. I just be feeling like a good, solid morning does not start unless you do a prayer. Like, it has to start with prayer. It has to come from somewhere, you know what I mean? So since now the prayer is done, we could probably basically get right into the video. You know what I mean? First thing I wake up to, my packages of my lashes on its way. I just put my order in maybe 2-3 days ago. I never in my life knew it for it to be this quick. When they come from China, it takes 15 to 20 business days. I just started ordering maybe Friday, maybe Monday. My stuff is going to be here no later than Wednesday and Friday. Trust.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. No more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. Cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you. I can't deny. See how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more.
The workout is done. So now that the workout is done, I did my morning prayer. I have a lot of laundry. I'm gonna hurry up and get through that, and then we're gonna do the next thing that's on the agenda. Agenda. I'm about to get mad. So after I get done doing laundry, I'm gonna fold these clothes and then I'm gonna come right back. I have to wash another load and then we're gonna hop right into the shower to get all this sweat off because this is not cold.
Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, which we never did.
We hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Mink'D over. She gets down just like Mink'D over. Burn the blood, she not throwing shots. That dish bad, watch her blow. Now she gets away.
Now that I have the workout done and now that I have basically the laundry folded, we about to go take this laundry that's on my floor to the washing machine. I need to wash these clothes and these clothes need to be done today. Let's get into it. I love washing clothes. I wouldn't lie. I do like washing clothes.
And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting my way. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had.
This man, so I tell his ass back face always in my pussy so we don't see how to act. We bitch when we fly, we baked as a pal. Only time I'ma cry when I want a bitch to.
I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting my way. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting my way. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone. And you are always gone.
I just got out the shower, lotioned my body, did my skincare routine. Now I'm picking out my clothes. But this is like kind of the hardest part of the day. I don't know what I want to wear and I don't know how I want to look. I don't know the vibe that I want to give today. I don't know if I want to give sexy, give cool, give stud, give dyke, give girly. I don't know. Today's a great day to be a cold ass. I wouldn't lie. And then mind you, I'm doing my hair. I'm in the middle of doing my hair. So like that means I'm washing it. Well, I just deep conditioned it. I put like conditioner. I didn't really want to wash it because I didn't want to strip my natural oils and stuff from my natural hair. So I was just like, I'm gonna just put some conditioner into it right now. I'm supposed to be thinking of a hairstyle, 1, 2, thinking of an outfit to go with that hairstyle, or the hairstyle to go with the outfit, either or vice versa. We're gonna get back into this. That's crazy. My grandma just started calling me. Hey, boo. What's going on, baby?
Baby, you at work, baby?
No, I am not. I'm actually off today.
Oh, good. Well, Nana's brother died, Uncle James.
What? Whoa!
Last night, yeah.
Y'all, why the hell my grandma just called me and tell me that my uncle just passed away? So now I'm about to have to go to a funeral. That was not supposed to be my morning routine. That was not a part of it at all whatsoever. Simple fact that now somebody is dead and I gotta drive to Ohio. Thank God I got a car, but I mean, damn, right after I got the car? Shit. About to run the miles up. Why don't I? Okay, I'm playing God. Take that back, like it's not that serious. I promise you, he cool. He was gang. I'm looking up some curly hair videos because that was my hair. I have the video that I just showed you. That was basically the last hair video or curly hairstyle that I had did. Well, I have wet hair and I don't know what the hell to do about it. Yeah, I finally got a hairstyle. I need to really keep going my hairstyles, but that's besides the point. I finally got a hairstyle. Basically, I'm gonna do something like this. It's gonna give something of this aspect, but not completely. Do a bang. I want to do a slick bang, but I'm gonna do the butterfly hair crown, but I'm gonna have a curly back since I know what hairstyle I have. we need to get to the layer because we need to get this outfit. I just don't know what outfit to do because I be wanting to have my outfits and my hair to match up together. I don't like to have blue hair and my outfit yellow. You know what I'm trying to say? I like my hair and my outfits to coordinate. I was thinking of maybe doing an active shirt or an active top. I don't really go with the shoes that I showed you, which I'm pissed about. Let's see if I have another active top. I need to go shopping today. I need to get it together. There's so much shit I need to do.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got
I just checked the weather today, right? Because you know it's the summertime. It's for the grizz. It's the time where the cheeks is out and the titties is sunning. The titties is mooning, bitches. Why is it 61 degrees in? We just had a tornado literally last week, and you know tornadoes only happen when hot and cold air come together. And then now today we got 61-degree weather. 61? That's real close to 50, which is real close to 40, which is real close to 0. I for real gotta completely change my outfit because who about to be cold? I personally don't like to be cold. I like the cold. I don't like to be cold. Now I'm about to kind of like rearrange my whole outfit, try to rearrange how everything about to go. Like, I just feel like if it's the summertime, it needs to be the summertime. I just don't understand why only has 6 months of summer and 6 months of winter. We don't have the secondary little seasons of fall and the secondary season of spring. There is no, you know how it's spring, forward, fall back? We don't get none of that. It's straight summer, winter. It's literally what? 60 degrees outside, and I don't know how I want to play it. Perfect. So we got that. I could do this. It's not that they can't. These look like whole ass capris. I don't know. Y'all, what color purse? Y'all see, y'all can help me. Hold on, y'all, because we gotta go to the second layer. The second layer. These are all the coats that I've been matching everything with at. My thing is, I need to find something that's gonna match with this shoe. So like my thing is, I be going through all the coats. Oh, it's crazy. I have not wore this coat, but we still have another winter to go. So I could definitely wear that this winter. That's too colorful. And it's like, okay, man. If I have this blue, but I already got that blue top, and then I got these sneakers to go, I just feel like that's gonna be a lot of blue. I have just got this new little puffer coat for like $5. It's not gonna go with the purple that's in my coat though. Like, pissed about it. One thing about it, 2 things for sure. Trust, I'm gonna find something. These shoes. Can you see them? Boom. Right? But we got this, and then we got these blue jeans, right? With my sneaker. But you see, I got the yellow. With the yellow coat. Yeah. Could do it this way. Boom. And then this isn't good. What should I put on? Put that shit on. This is the outfit that I ended up wearing, or that I'm gonna end up putting on. We got some True Religions, my Nikes, a purple bag, blue jacket with my yellow coat or my yellow jacket. I think it goes, it's cute, it's whatever, like everything matches, but it's just, it matches. You know what I'm trying to say? I didn't eat, I didn't give, I'm kind of just like, I don't really know. I wanted to eat, I wanted to give, I wanted to, I'm like, oh shit, you got some style, but it's just like, bitch, you need to go shopping for that. And it's just like, fuck, I just got my car on the road, just hit 7 days ago today. Today is 7 days, and it's not even 7 days until like 5 o'clock later today. This is what I'm gonna wear for today, but trust, this isn't what I do for real. Like, I like to eat, I like to, ooh, bitch, why is you doing too much? Because you're not doing enough. Thank you for watching my Get Ready With Me. I'm gonna finish my hair in the next video. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for doing my morning routine with me. Or thank you for just, you know, get ready with me and just chit-chatting, rant-ratting, and, you know, coming with me. It's the end of the social. I'll see you later, boo.
Yeah.
gorilla with it, cold-hearted killer with it. Any nigga getting out of line.